project on automatic railway gate control with the group members as Anuj Sinha, Anupama Kumari, Ayushi Rastogi, Subhash Chandra Gautam, Neha Jain, Neha Sharma and Sandeep Kumar. This project is designed using AT89651 microcontroller to avoid the accident happening at unattained railway gates. It utilizes 2 IR transmitters and 2 receivers. We have selected this project as it consists of a lot of scope in Indian Railways. Using this system, we can control the whole network sitting in a control room. It is more accurate and it consists of some manual operations too.
Let's have a look about the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. It contains a transformer unit, a bridge rectifier unit, voltage regulator, LCD display, microcontroller, and these are the infrared sensor on the both sides of the track. This is our track, and this is our gate and stepper motors. Transformer unit is using for the converting step down the voltage 230 volt to 12 DC, and bridge rectifier is using for the full wave rectifier, and voltage regulator is using for 6 voltage and 12 voltage, as so 12 voltage are needed for the stepper motors and 6 voltage for rest of the circuit. Here is another circuit which is using for the converting AC to DC. These are the transformer, step down transformer, full wave rectifier and voltage regulators. Let's have the working of the project. Suppose a train is coming from this side. Okay, these are the 2 sensors, LED sensors, which is detecting the train coming from this side. These send the signal to the microprocessor, and using the coding, this gate will be closed. When the train is passing through this sensor, the signal again sent to the microcontroller, and because of the coding, this gate will be open. And let us suppose there is also a train, already a train. So we are using a track changer. We have a coding such that if we initiate this stepper motor by using this switch, then the already train is then go through this track, and this train will come by this track. So it will reduce the chances of the accident. So this is very useful for the Indian Railway.